Hi guys, welcome. In this video we'll talk about the subject personal pronouns, which is called in Tajik Ҷонишинҳои шахсӣ. But before that, let's review some words that we learned in the previous class. If you remember, we were talking about the colors. So, how to say black in Tajik? Black will be siyo, and how to say blue? Blue will be kabut, or let's say gray. Gray will be khokistar rang. Okay, how to say yellow sun? Yellow sun will be oftobi zard. Okay, good job. So now let's talk about the subject pronouns. Here we have singular and plural. But first person will be, if you know from school, it's a person who speaks, and the second will be the person, the listener, and the third refers neither to a speaker nor the listener. So I will be man, you already know this, man, and you, tu is someone that you already know, someone younger or maybe your classmate, your friend, tu. Shumo is to someone older or you are not familiar with, like shumo, parent or family member, someone older. Shumo. He, she, it. In Tajik, there is no grammatical gender like in English. So, a girl can be vi or a boy can be vi. It's okay. Also, is the same like vi, and on sometimes we don't really use on. So vi, here, and on. Okay, so plural. We will be more. Usually we say more, but in some places in Tajikistan people use moyon or moho. But I usually use mo. Okay, and you in plural will be shumo. Sometimes people say shumoho or shumoyon. So you can just, for now, you can just remember shumo. It's okay. And they will be on ho. This one is he, ho. On ho. Sometimes people say vai ho, like this vai, but plural, vai ho. And on also. This one is also not that common. On ho, vai ho, on. But when you talk about somebody somebody who's older or somebody who is respected, you better don't say you better say on kas. On kas. Yeah, it shows that you respect that person. It's more polite. Alright, so let's look at some examples. I know will be man medonam. Man medonam. So this one is easy. You know will be tu medoni, your friend, tu. And shumo, someone older. Shumo medoned. So it's a little bit different. Tu medoni, long e. And shumo medoned. Shumo medoned. Alright, he, she knows will be vai, on, medonad. Medonad here. Alright, and we know will be mo, moho, or moyon, medonim. So, mo medonim. You know will be shumo, shumoyon, shumoho, medonid. Like this one. Shumo medonid. The same. And the last one, they know, onho, onon, vaiho, medonand. Here we have n, medonand. So it sounds like onho medonand, shumo medonid, mo medonim, man medonam, tu medoni, shumo medonid, vai on medonat. Alright, we can also say, for example, to read. I read will be man mechonam. say میخونم. You read. تو میخونی, the same way. شما میخونید, شما میخونید, so the same way. He, she reads, میخوند, میخونیم, میخونید, میخونند. So pretty much the same. Ending is the same. So yeah, so that's about it. Alright, so if you have any question or a suggestion, you can send us an email, which is in the description, or just leave it in the comment. And the next class, we'll talk about the numbers. So see you in the next video. توجیدان.